How to do a green screen in CapCut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to do a green screen in CapCut. So first thing what you need to do is just open up your CapCut and select any of the videos, and once you're inside here just click on this particular videos that is selecting this video, and once you select your video just click on effects and head over to video effects and select lens, and from over here you have to find the video effect that is blur. So just locate the blur section and simply tap on this, and what you need to do is next is you have to readjust the blur effect. So make sure you have readjusted the blur effect to about 21, set it to 21, and once you do that just click on overlay button and just tap on this add overlay, and from over here all you have to do is just select any of the videos of your green screen video and simply enlarge it to fit to your screen accordingly. So once you make it fit to your screen, now simply swipe right way and click on remove BG and chroma key. So once you are inside here you just have to select the color which you want to remove, and once you select the portion of color you have to increase or decrease the intensity. So just set it to about 21 for your intensity. So you can also make changes to your shadow option to make it look quite good. So once you are satisfied with the result just come back and simply play the video just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.